When someone says 10 past 5, what does that mean? Should you say quarter past 3 or quarter after 3? Is past only for British English? In this chapter, we'll master past, the word used to tell time by counting minutes after the hour, a skill essential for natural English conversation. Welcome back to our Prepositions of Time series. We've completed our main time expressions. Today, we'll learn past, which is specifically used for telling time, describing minutes after the hour. This is how native speakers naturally express time in conversation. Past means after the hour when telling time. Think of the minute hand going past the 12. 10 past 5 means 10 minutes after 5 o'clock, 5:10. The minute hand has moved past the top of the clock, traveling into the next hour. For example, it's 10 past 2. This means 2:10, 10 minutes after 2 o'clock. The hour is 2, and we've gone 10 minutes past that hour. Past shows we've crossed into the new hour and are counting forward. Here's an interesting regional difference. British English prefers past, such as 10 past 5 or quarter past 3. American English often uses after, such as 10 after 5 or quarter after 3. Both are correct and mean exactly the same thing. Use whichever sounds more natural to you. There is an important time-telling rule. Past is only used for the first 30 minutes of the hour. For example, 5 past 2, 20 past 2, and half past 2. But for minutes 31 to 59, we switch to the next hour. For example, 20 to 3 or 10 to 3. These are the most common past expressions used every day. 5 past means 5 minutes after the hour. 10 past means 10 minutes after the hour. Quarter past means 15 minutes after the hour. 20 past means 20 minutes after the hour. Half past means 30 minutes after the hour. Past often appears when people schedule things. The meeting starts at 10 past 9. Your appointment is at quarter past 2. The train leaves at 20 past 7. Using past often sounds more natural in speech than always using digital time. A common mistake is using past after 30 minutes. Never say 40 past 3 or 50 past 3. After 30 minutes, count backward to the next hour. Say 20 to 4 for 3:40 or 10 to 4 for 3:50. Here is a simple memory trick. Watch the minute hand of a clock. When it moves past the 12, you can say past. This works until the minute hand reaches the 6, which is 30 minutes. Now, let's look at some examples. Class started at 5 past 9. That means 9:05 in the morning. The train departs at 10 past 7. That means 7:10. The show starts at quarter past 8. That means 8:15. The morning rush usually ends at 20 past 10. That means 10:20. Dinner will be ready at 25 past 6. That means 6:25. Your appointment is at quarter past 3. That means 3:15. The meeting is scheduled for half past 2. That means 2:30. The service starts at 5 past 11. That means 11:05. Kickoff is at 10 past 4. That means 4:10. The pharmacy opens at 20 past 9. That means 9:20. Let's recap the key rules. Past means minutes after the hour. It is only used for the first half of the hour, from 0 to 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we use to the next hour. So the full system works like this. For the first half hour, we say past. 5 past 2, quarter past 2, half past 2. For the second half hour, we say to the next hour. 20 to 3, quarter to 3, 5 to 3. Remember these common expressions. 5 past, 10 past, quarter past, 20 past, 25 past, and half past. Excellent work. You now understand how to use past to tell time naturally in English. This helps your speech sound more fluent and conversational. In the next chapter, we'll learn amid, a more formal word that means during. Keep practicing and continue improving your English.